Welcome to Vedic Mathematics for Schools. Today we will learn to write tables of double-digit numbers. First double-digit number of 10 place value system is 10. The pair of digits as first digit and the second digit will make their placements in double column format. Now, the first step of this table is the value, but the next step would mean that we are having no increase here, and here we reach from 1 to 2. The next table step, again no increase here and increase here by 1. This will help us comprehend as that the first column is not having any increase, but in the second column we are having sequential increase, which at the next step will take us to 4 0, followed by 5 0, and so on. Now let us take the second double-digit number, 11. The double column format. This as 1 cross 11. At the next step is 2 cross 11, and so the first column is increased from 1 to 2, and in the second column as well there is increase from 1 to 2. At next step, the increase is from 2 to 3, and here as well is to 3, and so on. In both columns, there is increase by 1 at each step, and likewise in the second column as well, there is increase by 1. The next double-digit number, 12, as a double column setting, this will give us increase here up to an increase here of 1. So it will make 4, and here is 2. Then increase by 2 will make it 6 and 3, and so on. Here there is an increase of 2 at each step, and here there is increase of 1 at each step, and like that. Let us have a pause and let us see the pattern. The pattern of these 10, 11, and 12 as double digits 1 0, 1 1, 1 1 2. In the first column, the number is 0, and so at each step there is increase of 0. In the second column, number is 1 and increases by 1. In 11, the first column is also having digit 1, and second column is also digit 1, and so in both columns there is a sequential increase of 1. In case of this 12 is a double digit number, In the first column, there is increase of 2 at each step, and here there is increase of 1 at each step. Let us have a pause, and we can learn to recognize first the pattern that a double-digit number is to be written in this format of double column, and the number, say 14, is there with us. Then we say it is column 1 and it is column 2. The first step of this table will remain as it is, and the second step would mean we have to increase here 4, we'll make it 4 and 4, 8, and here the increase will be 1, we'll make it 2. At next step, there will increase of 4, this will be 2, 12, and it will be 3. Now see, here we have reached at a double digit number. So of this double digit number, the first column number will be retained and second column digit will be carried forward, and it will make, instead of 3, 42. So at this step the table will be 42. This step of carry forward is the crucial step, very important step, and so the teachers shall very gently carry the students how to work out, how to readjust this in the two columns. See, we were at second step at numbers 2 and 8. At third step, 8 plus 4 has given us 12, and here 2 plus this has given us 3. Now this number 12 is a double digit number. Here is 2 and here is 1. So this second column number is to be carried forward. So it will give us 3 plus 1, and here it will remain 2. So it will become 42. This step is to be taught very gently. Once we will be in a position to comprehend this, then we'll see the next step will take 2 plus 4 is 6, and 4, 1 is 5. At next step it will be 6 plus 4 is 10, and here will be 6. Again we are having a double digit number, and the second digit will be carried forward. It will make here 7, and here will be 0. So this again is a carry forward step. In this table writing exercise, there are two things. First is to write the double digit number, say 15, into a format of two columns, 5 and 1. Then the table would mean in this column at each step it will increase by 5, so it will be 5 plus 5, and here there will be increase by 1, it will be 2. This 5 plus 5 is making value 10, a double digit number, so this 1 of double digit number will be carried, it will give us 30. At next step, increase will be by 5 here, and it will be 1 by 445. Now let us learn the unique technique of Vedic mathematics of reducing the bigger digits numerals into smaller digits. It is called vinculum. Now we are learning vinculum, which means reducing the bigger digits 6, 7, 8 and 9 into smaller digits. 6 is 10 minus 4. So Vedic systems have a unique way of expressing it, that the number minus 4 number minus 4 can be written as 4 bar, another way of writing. And this expression of 6 as 10 and 4 bar, so it will be 10 and 4 bar. It will be written as 1 and a 4 bar. Let us sit comfortably and learn this unique technique of Vedic mathematics of vinculum. This vinculum would mean reducing bigger digits into smaller digits. Of the numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, these numbers are called bigger digits and these are called smaller digits. These numbers are written with the help of their deficiencies from 10. It is 4 steps. It is minus 4. It is deficient by number 4. It is 10 minus 3 deficient by 3, means here deficiency is 3. This is 10 minus 2. It is deficient by 2. It is like that. And it is 10 minus 1. Deficiency is 1. It is 1 bar. It is aimed at making the steps simpler, but before that we have to see that 6 is 10 minus 4. It is called, this is 4 deficient from 10, and so it is written as 1 and a 4 bar. Here it is written 1 and a 3 bar. Here it is written 1 and 2 bar, and it is 1 and a 1 bar. See, when we are having digit 6, we will rewrite it as 1 and 4 bar. 6 is 4 deficient, 4 steps less than 10. 7 is 3 steps less than 10. 8 is 2 steps less than 10. 9 is 1 step less than 1. So in this system, actually we are writing 6 is equal to 10 minus 4, and we are rewriting it in another symbols. 7 is equal to 10 minus 3, written as 1 and a 3 bar. 8 is 10 minus 2, and we write it 1 and 2 bar. And 9 is equal to 10, and it is 1 into 1 bar. Though initially it is a step of some crucial features, that we are reaching from 6 to 1 and 1 bar, 7 as 1 and 3 bar, 8 and 1 and 2 bar, 9 and 1 bar. When we say we are having digit here 6, but we are here availing 1 and a 4. For 7 we are availing 1 and 3. For 8, it is 1 and 2 bar. For 9, it is 1 and a 1 bar. So instead of 6, we have to operate in terms of 1 and 4. For 7, for 1 and 3. Here 1 and 2, here 1 and 1. So see here, we are successful to reduce this thing into a smaller digits. This in fact is the achievement, but for that naturally first we have to comprehend it, that if we have to say write 65, then we will write it in double digit for as 5 and 6, and now this 6 in double digit form to be reduced into smaller digits, it will make 1 and a 4 bar. Say 75 will be 1, 3 bar and 5. 85 will be 1, 2 bar and 5. So these numbers in fact will become triple digit numbers. So 65, because of the bigger digit being reduced into smaller digits, takes us to a triple digit expression. 75 will be a triple digit expression. 85, 1, 2 bar and 5. No doubt, as far as its expression from double digit number in vinculum form is taking us to triple digits, but the achievement here is that we are having this expression in terms of smaller digits. The bigger digit stands replaced. This replacement here, though may not look like to be very beneficial step, but when we are now proceeding ahead to apply this for the purposes of writing the tables, then we'll see that this 99 is equal to 100 minus 1, and it will become 1, 0 and a 1 bar. See, these numbers, bigger digits, are reduced into 1 only. So if we have to write the table of 99, then we will say, first let us reduce it into vinculum form to have its expression for a smaller digits. Once it is achieved, then table writing as a first step will be 1 into 99 will be this. But at the next step, when we are at the second step for the table, then this number, so it means it is a triple digit number now. It is 0, 9 and 9, and for this triple digit number, the rule will be reduce 1, make it n, reduce 0, 9, and add 1, 198. Let me now be specific. We are writing a table of 99. We write it, it is going to be 100 minus 1. It becomes 1, 0, 1 bar in a vinculum form. So we are writing it becomes a triple digit number. So 99 is triple digit number this, and the rule will be, let us write it is 1, 0 and 1 bar. So rule is reduce 1, add 0, add 1. It will be 1, it will be 9, and it will be 8. The next step, reduce 1, here will be 7, it will remain 9, and it will become 2. At next step, reduce 1, 6, here reduce 0, here add 1. See how simple it now becomes to write the table of 99. But before that, naturally, we have to have one exercise, and this exercise is that let us write it or let us avail the vinculum method and let us reduce it into a triple digits form. Equivalent will be 1, 0, and 1 bar. This will give us the rule how to we go step by step. And so at first step, we will be at this, and at next step, we have to reduce by 1, reduce by 0, add by 1. So it will be 1, 9, and 8. At next step, reduce by 1, reduce by 0, and add 1. It will be 2, 9, 7. It will be 3, 9, 6, and see how conveniently, just with the help of only adding or subtracting 1, and we are in a position to write this table. So if we now have to write the table of 98, the table of 98 would mean it will be 100 minus 2. It will make 1 0 and a 2 bar. So at first step, the table will be 0, 9, and 8. And then next step, reduce by 2, 9, add 1. Then will be reduced by 2, 4, 9, and 2. Reduce by 2, 2, 9, and 2. Reduce by 2, 3. And as we have to reduce now from 2, now the rule of carry forward, but in a reverse form, we will take 1 from here, we'll take 3, 8, and a 10. Then we'll reduce by 2 is 8. Here we will repeat 8, it will become 4. So again, now carry backward. So in the previous steps, we had seen that we have to have a carry forward stage. And here we will have carry backward stage. If we are conscious of these stages, and if we are efficient to make this carry forward and carry backward steps, then the vinculum system will help us have the tables in a mechanical form. Say for 97, we will be having 1 0 3 bar, and then we will be for first step 0 9 7, then we'll reduce by 3, 9, and 1. Again we will reduce by 3 and 2, and like that the carry backward rule. Vedic mathematics teachers have to help their students to reduce the numbers into the column forms, and then to avail the vinculum method, and then go on adding or subtracting the digits of the vinculum form. As in case of 99, we are having 1 0 and 1 bar. In case of 98, we are having 1 0 and 2 bar, and so on. It is really a blissful thing, and everything will become mental, as that we have to add or reduce by 5 at a time. So these smaller digits 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 will work as 6, 7, 8, and 9 stand dispensed with, say, stand replaced by smaller digits in a vinculum form. A bit practice will make the whole things very, very convenient and blissful, and one can learn to write the tables from 9 to 99 in one step, because 9 is going to be 1 and 1 bar, and 99 is 101 bar. So we will go on reducing by 1 and adding by 1. Here also reducing by 1, remaining at the same value and adding by 1. And this sequential step of reducing by 1 at each step or adding by 1 is just a magic, just a blissful. So within half an hour, students can learn to write the tables up till 100. Writing the tables up till 100 into 100 is a blissful gift of Vedic mathematics to the young minds. Please enjoy the same. Thank you very much.